Hello student, we have to solve some questions in the topic rational number. First question, a bus is moving at an average speed of 35 to 5 km per hour. How much distance it will cover in 3 complete 1 by 3 hours? And second question, the cost of 2 complete 1 by 3 meter of cloth is rupees 238. Find the cost of 4 complete 1 by 2 meter of same cloth. So start from question number first. Average speed of bus. What is speed? 35 complete 2 by 5 kilometer per hour. Equal to 5 25 25 to 27 carries to 550 to 17 kilometer per hour. Time, what is time? Time is equal to 3 complete 1 by 3 hours. Is equal to 3 3 9 10 by 3 hours. We know that formula distance is equal to speed into time. This is formula of distance. Distance is equal to speed into time. So distance covered by bus in 10 by 3 hours is equal to speed 177 kilometer per hour is equal to 10 by 3 hours. Hours will be cancelled, and ये 77 by 5. This will be also 5. 5 on the 5 to the 10. 3 and 77 both are divisible by 3. 3 on the 3. 3 5 the 15 carries 2. 3 9 the 27 is equal to 59 into 2 kilometer. 59 2 9 the 18, 2 5 the 10, 1 11 kilometer. So distance covered by bus in 3 by 10 hours is equal to 180 kilometers. This is your answer. First of all, you have to take care about this important formula. Distance is equal to speed by time. With the help of this formula, you can find the time. Time is equal to speed will transpose into right left hand side, and it will convert. Here it is multiplied equation form, and it will convert to divisible. So distance by speed. Speed is equal to distance by time. These are 3 formulas. With the help of 3 formulas, you can find distance if speed and time are given, and you can find the time, distance and speeds are given. You can find speed if the distance and time is given. Here speed and time is given, you have to find the distance. So distance covered by bus in 3 by 10 by 3 hours is equal to speed into time. After calculation, you get 180 kilometer. This is your answer. Now solve the question number 2. Question number 2. The cost of 2 complete 1 by 3 meter of cloth is 238. Find the cost of 4 complete 1 by 2 meter of same cloth. So first the cost of 2 1 by 3 meter of cloth is equal to rupees 238. If you find the first of all the cost of 2 complete 1 by 3 meter of cloth is equal to 200. So if the cost of cloth and the measurement of cloth is given, and so you have to find the 1 meter cloth, say you have to divide the cost by the length of meter. So the cost of 1 meter of cloth, you have to divide the price of cloth by the length of cloth. Rupees 238 divided by 2 into 3 meter. Rupees 238 divided by 3 is 10 by 3. You know that division convert into multiplication and denominator convert into numerator, numerator convert into denominator. Rupees 238 into 3 by 10. This is the cost of 1 meter, and you have to find the cost of 4 complete 2. So the cost of 4 complete 1 by 2 meter of cloth, cost of 1 meter, rupees 238 into 3 by 10 into 4 complete 1 by 2. So rupees 2 4 2 5 are 10, 2 1 are 2, 2 1 are 2, 2 9 are 18. 1 9 into 3 by 5 into 4 to the 8 1 9 into 9 by 2. So multiply this. 3 9 are 27. 3 1 are 3 to 5. 3 1 are 3 into 9 divided by 5 to the 10. Now solve it. Is equal to 9 7 are 63. Carry 6. 9 7 are 63. Carry 6. 9 5 are 45. 45 plus 6 51. So carry is 5. 9 3 are 27. 27 32 by 10. Now you have to divide 10 3 are 30, 10 to the 20, 10 on the 1 into 3 by 10. This will be the cost of 4 complete 1 by 2 meter of cloth. Cost of to complete 1 by 3 meter cloth is equal to 3. There is little mistake here. Sorry. It will here 3. 3. So cost of 3 1 by 3 meter of cloth is equal to this. Cost of 1 meter cloth is equal to 3 is 9 by 10 by 3, and you can divide 2 5 are 10, 2 1 are 2, 2 1 are 2, 2 9 are 18, into 3, 4 complete 1 by 2, and 1 1 9 into 3 by 5, into 4 2 are 8, 1 by 9 2, 4 2 are 8, 1 9 by 2, right? 9 3 are 10 and 26, and 3 1 are 3 to 5, 3 1 are 3, into 9 by 5 2 are 10. 10. Now you have to divide 10 3 are 30, 10 2 are 20, 10 1 are 10, 3 by 10. You can also this in the form of base 1 is equal to rupees 321.3. This will be the cost of either write in the fractional form or decimal form. This is the answer of this question. So I think all of you understand this solution, and now you can solve many questions related to this types of questions from your exercise books. This is sufficient for today, and we see in next video with next new questions. Thanks.